Ortiga. Alpha Company Commander Ruben Dominic Prades. Alpha Company EXO Simon Saluna. First Platoon Leader Boys Francis Silaba. Second Platoon Leader Boys Al Franco Bucard. Bravo Company Commander Lalain Carisula. Company EXO Crisa May Clemente. First Platoon Leader Girls Hazel Joyce Mascolino. Second Platoon Leader Girls Hart Ariel Francia. MAPI Company Commander Ivan Boque. MAPI Company EXO Anthony Joseph Valvez. First Platoon Leader MAPE Noli Chan Jasper Pili. Second Platoon Leader MAPE Ila Chan Nathaniel. Principal Dr. Lelebet Pajardo Moralde, Doctor of Philosophy. CTP Facilitator Captain Lalin Tolentino, Doctor of Education. Majorette Coordinator Nikki Giselle Escolano. Band Director Martina Cernande and Edelberto Mascolino. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 1 from Nabua National High School, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
That's cute. Ay, boy! Galing ako pa.
Of course, at their back is the Girl Scout troop. And